Wearing the 1111 Universal Wrap by Alchemy by LA. These are going out of stock temporarily until I reach 200,000 subscribers, and then we'll bring them back. But for now, if you want to get yours before they're gone, you can wear them as chokers also. Get that thing. Hello my angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Leeor Alexandra. Welcome to the highest vibe tribe on YouTube. On this channel we talk about spirituality, metaphysics, self-development, and so much more. Today is Monday, and on Mondays I like to share law of attraction success stories to get everybody's vibes up for the rest of the week. I want to take a second to say that I'm so grateful that your path has led you here to this channel, because watching Manifestation Mondays is an act of self-love and compassion in itself. You are coming here to raise your vibe and be awakened to your true power. And I'm so grateful that you allow me to be a part of that for you. I feel that energy, so I just want to say thank you. This week we have manifestation success stories submitted by the community, all from the Facebook group. But before we get into the success stories, I have a Monday challenge for you again this week. So many of us already have big goals and big plans, but I want us as a community and as individuals to all come up with something to look forward to, something fun, not necessarily an academic financial goal or something like that, but just something fun to look forward to. That means maybe planning a trip or saving up money to buy something that you've really been wanting, to spoil yourself a little bit, maybe buy tickets to a concert or an event, or just make plans with somebody that you've really been wanting to see. Come up with something super fun to look forward to this week and plan it for the future. Think about the things that you like, the people you like, the things that you like to do, and make plans. Having something to look forward to is a vibration raiser, and it could really help with anxiety and depression. And as a bonus, when you cultivate that excited energy, you will see improvements in your life, in your day-to-day life leading up to this event. So this is just a fun way to understand how to cultivate energy and emotions in order to manifest improvements in your life overall. We know that with the law of attraction, in order to manifest something, you have to kind of put yourself in the situation where you already feel what you would feel if you already had that thing that you want, right? So this is an exercise in doing that. What emotions would you be feeling if you already had whatever it is that you wanted? So doing this exercise teaches you how to create feeling and use it in other areas of your life. So that's the challenge for the week. If you have something in mind that you're gonna plan in the future, or if you already have something like this planned, please comment below, because even if it's small, big or small, it doesn't matter. You could be helping somebody who's stuck and really doesn't know what to plan for the future in order to keep them to create this excited energy. You could be really inspiring somebody and changing somebody's day or life even. All right, now let's get into this week's story. So the first one is by my girl Uzuri on the Facebook group. So let's read Uzuri's story. I successfully manifested a car within 2 weeks. I literally logged onto Twitter and tweeted that one day I will wake up and go fetch my new car at the dealership. I've seen this happen a lot. A lot of people will tweet something about the future and they'll come and revisit these tweets. And the thing is, they've set their intention on Twitter, and that's how they manifested it. And you know, we did that video about creating a magical tool. Twitter can be your magical tool, by the way. 2 weeks later, my mom called me to come meet up with her and bought me and my twin sister a Mercedes as a surprise. Just like that. The method was saying it and being very lighthearted about it. I was also very detached about the outcome. And I know that that's, a lot of people are like, oh, that's easier said than done. But if I were to tell you that you don't even have to work hard to get what you want, you just have to learn how to detach from that desperate energy, from needing it so badly with your energy, that it would manifest for you, isn't that worth it? Isn't it worth it to, instead of worry about how you're going to get it, when you're going to get it, what's going to happen in order for you to get it, all you do is detach and let go and know that it's going to come to you? Isn't that worth it? Uzuri also said that she meditated every day and always indulged in delicious hot chocolate. Self-love, that's very powerful. I always said positive affirmations. I also took myself on 2 dates in those 2 weeks just to spoil myself. I think the high vibes ultimately did the trick. I agree. The second story is my babe Fallon's story. And she had an experience manifesting the light work ceremony, which made me so happy, because just thinking that somebody cares enough about something that I put out there to manifest it, to set their intention to get it, just is very, very flattering, and I'm really grateful. So Fallon wrote, "Baby Ellie, something amazing happened. Before I tell you what happened, just know the moral of the story is that the universe is always listening, and that if something is truly meant to be, it will be. I will say that even if it's not meant to be, it will be, because everything is just perfect. Ultimately, everything is meant to be, whether it's good or bad, whether it's meant for you or not. It all has already happened. It's all part of the process, part of the plan. So just trust that." Let's continue. "I've wanted to take part of the light work experience that Leeor offers since I first heard of it. Growing up with depression, anxiety, and an alcoholic parent has left me with unwanted personality traits, scars, and emotional trauma. I knew I needed to be healed in order to manifest the life I desire." And that's true. When we have all these things from our childhood and all these shadows they hold us back. They create limiting beliefs. They create a very powerful, too strong ego, and they hold us back from being happy and from manifesting. That's what light work is all about. "However, I'm a college student with bills to pay, and I just didn't want to spend money right after Christmas." Understandable. "But something within me was being pulled to the light work experience." And by the way, that's how light work works. You'll be called to do it. So when you're ready, you'll be called to do it. So right now, you might not even be accepting it into your conscious mind, but one day something's going to click and you're going to be like, "I want to deepen my spiritual practice," and you're going to head over there. That's just how it works. This was to the point that I was thinking about how it would feel to be able to take part in it. I would read up on it and think about how it could change my life. So she was putting herself into the experience and visualizing and feeling the emotions of how she would feel like if she was to go through this process, which is such a powerful manifestation technique. Yesterday, I got my paycheck and saw that I was exactly $87 over what I normally get. My boss had said it was because I worked some extra hours that I didn't even remember that I did. So I thought to myself, cool, an extra $87. Now, mind you, Leeor's Lightwork course is $97. However, an hour after getting my paycheck, I received an email from Leeor's blog that had a link in it for the Lightwork course. I clicked on the link because I wanted to read up on it, and there was a 10% discount on the course. Guess how much the course was? $87. The exact amount I had been paid extra that very morning. The universe knew that I was ready for this experience. I'm truly amazed. Okay, the next story is my girl Maria. I love Maria. I love all these beautiful ladies. I did the 2-cup method last year. I wanted to manifest my dream job with amazing coworkers and be happy in my role. Fast forward to 3 months, I got hired at my dream job as a counselor working with sexual assault victims and human trafficking. My coworkers are beyond amazing and I'm truly happy here. 2-cup method works. Thank you, universe. So first of all, definitely 2-cup method works. I would also say intention is a big thing at work here. Maria had a very pure and positive intention. She wanted to help people. So her intention, she had to have received this amazing and perfect job, because when your intentions are good, when it comes from the heart more than from the ego, you're going to manifest it so easily and it's obviously going to come to you. One last story from my babe Nicole on the Facebook group as well. I manifested a new phone. Before Christmas, I had scripted that I wanted to get a new phone because both my brothers had gotten a new one. I wasn't specific. I just imagined the sensation I got every time I tried out someone else's new phone. Super, super powerful. That's very intuitive of you to do that. That's amazing. So my second brother came home with his new, beautiful, masculine, elegant black phone. But as soon as he noticed that the flash was blue, he asked me to go with him and see if they could change it. They could, but they only had a white and light blue one. He told me that he thought it was too feminine, but it was better than having a damaged camera flash. In that moment, I sent him love and I thought that he deserved to have a new phone that he loved, despite me still wanting to change my phone too. But I didn't hate him for getting a new one, so she sent energy from her heart instead of from her ego. I remember thinking that this kind of spontaneous love is what allows me to get whatever I wish for. Little time later, he decided to see if he could find a way to purchase a new one. He did, and he gave me his phone, which was still new. It's awesome. So those were really good stories. I really enjoy them. They're fun and lighthearted. It's a lot about experiencing the emotion, which is honestly, I decided on the challenge before collecting the stories. So it's kind of interesting how they aligned. So remember that this challenge gives you a way to cultivate a happy and creative and excited energy, and you can use that energy to manifest other things. So find something that you want to look forward to. And that's it for this week's stories. Remember, if you feel called to light work, The link is in the description below. Other than that, thank you for watching. I love you so much. And as always, until my next video, keep your vibrations way, way, way up. Bye.